One of the things I love about the T stance, which we learned way back when we were doing the sweeps, is you can apply it pretty much everywhere. So if we're turning to the right, left foot forward, and that already puts you a quarter of the way around the turn when you're going around. And I am doing a rotation I'm lifting my foot and I'm basically taking off on my right foot in the turn. But you could do it where you push twice. So you push, push to get there. For this one, when you're doing the turn, you come up, over, down, and around. We'll do 3 and then we'll turn. 1, 2, 3, and now on this 4th one, turn all the way around. And 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, come all the way around. Start with the left turn. And then we'll go to the right turn. That means your right foot's forward. We'll do 3, 2, 1, and now here we go. Turn to the left, and then 3, 2, 1, and turn to the right. 3, 2, 1, and turn to the left. 3, 2, 1, turn to the right. Now let's go into 2 turns, or 2 caps rather, and then a turn, 2 caps, and then a turn, 2 caps, and then a turn, 2 caps, and then a turn, and now single cap, turn, 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 single cap, turn.